We've done blushes and highlighters, foundations and eyeliners. You name it, and we have our favorites ready for you. Today we're going to be talking about one makeup product that's become an absolute staple in our makeup kits here in India very recently because of the beautiful definition and warmth that it leaves behind on our skin, a bronzer. Our top 5 bronzers work great on every skin type, have rich formulas with different consistencies, but promise to give you a goddess-like glow and sculpted cheekbones. Type DEFINE in the comments below to get a list of our drugstore recommendations, tools and techniques to use them with ease. Let's start by talking about the basics. Use the number 3 as a guideline to start with your forehead and temples and then down to your jawline on both sides of your face. You can also contour your nose on either side of it to make it look thinner and add a slight dusting to the tip for a beautiful sun-kissed effect. First, let's begin with powders. I picked this bronzer not just because of the beautiful glow that it leaves behind, but also because I know how difficult it can be to pick out your shade when you're trying out a new product. This particular one comes in only 3 shades, one for fair skin, one for us dusky girls, and one for deeper, richer tones. It has a slight shimmer in it which is warm toned, so you can easily use it to warm up a foundation that is slightly light for your skin. And you can even skip blush and highlight because this bronzer does it all. It also comes with a bonus, a beautifully pigmented highlighter on one side, and I suggest using a fluffy brush to apply this and blend it out using sweeping motions. Can we just begin by talking about how simple yet classy the packaging of this product is? It comes with a good price point, so it's a great first product to begin with if you're just starting off with bronzers. That way you invest less, there is less wastage of the product, and you know you've got a bronzer that can absolutely pack a punch. I love matte bronzers because I know they can be used for both contouring and bronzing as well, and this particular one stays put all day. What I love the most is that this product is also completely natural, oil-free, and has an SPF 15 to protect your skin. Blush, highlighting and contouring palettes are an absolute steal because you get multiple products at the price of just one. So I thought I'd throw this one into the mix to show you just how versatile this product is and how much you can get out of it at such a good price. It has 8 good sized pans that hold both warm and cool contours, setting powders, and even a highlighting shade that looks amazing on different skin tones. All of these shades can even be used as eyeshadows because of how pigmented they actually are. So grab your brushes and start experimenting. Now let's do creams. Another incredibly travel friendly and affordable product is this cream contour stick from Nykaa. I highly recommend starting out with cream products, especially if you're a beginner just diving into the world of bronzing, because of just how easy these sticks are to use, their amazing blendability and absolutely natural finish. This formula is also very long wearing and crease proof, so you don't need to worry about setting it in place with a powder. Just swipe on the product in the areas that you wish to warm up and use either your fingertips or a damp sponge to blend it in and get rid of the harsh edges. This product is actually part of Nykaa's foundation range and is a shade for deeper skin tones, so I'm super impressed with the amount of shades they actually stock in this range. This list would not be complete without the addition of a liquid bronzer, of course. I know the product says concealer, but you'll actually be amazed by the number of shades available in this range. They have everything from color correctors, concealers, bronzers, and even contour colors. So it's my go-to product to conceal and contour. I use a shade one tone lighter than my skin tone to highlight the center of my face, and use the shade Toffee on the outer perimeters to contour and bronze. All these bronzers have obviously made it to my list of favorites, but this liquid concealer is so richly pigmented and incredibly long lasting, so it's definitely my top pick if you need to fulfill any of the above makeup needs. I hope this list will help you begin your journey to achieving a beautifully sculpted face with ease. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.